Hi guys, Mommy Ann on the Wilsons on the go. Kadako na kog now. Anyways, today we are gonna build a makeup look. Alright, this would be for our Valentines makeup special. A 3-in-1. So we are gonna build a makeup from morning look, lunchtime look, or evening look. Sa ato pa na siyang gitawag, kung naamoy date sa buntag, swerte kay naamoy breakfast. Kung naamoy date sa paniud to, swerte kay lunch na good na. Ug naamoy date sa gabi hay, mas nindot na siya te kay dinner under the light or sa ganina siya ilalim ng puting ilaw or something like that. Anyhow, whatever that time of the day your date would be on Valentine's Day, or if katong mga walay date, okay ra gyud kay mag-makeup mo for yourself just to make you feel good. Wa dyan na siya problema. Alright, ready na ta? Start ta sa atong morning look. You ready? Ang morning look, kinanglan na dyan ta uy, kanida siya very, very easy and cheap makeup look. So first, we have to have a moisturizer. So kani siya ha atong video, buildable na siya nga video. So I'm gonna put a morning look first, then himuon na tog lunchtime, and then himuon na sad na tog dinner time. So you have to watch on the first steps first, para kung gabiin yung makeup, maghuwat mo, awit pa inyong makeup ron, ha? Anyhow, mo start yun to hydrate our face. This is my bare face. This is my bare face. Wa na siya makeup, balat sa balat. So you have to really moisturize. Either you're gonna use a mist or you're really gonna use a moisturizer. In this case, magpaspas man ta, mag-mist lang ta. Nahanglan dayon ta primer. Mag-primer ta kay hang to be ni gabi atong makeup. Or if buntag gani, pwede ra sa dili primeran. But if you want your makeup to stay put, mag-primer dito. So you can either pick your spray primer or your liquid primer. But since nag-spray naman ta ganina, I'll choose spray primer. So it's up to you. Naaragyo na ninyo, it's up to you. Daghan na to foundation dire. It's either mag-BB cream flawless foundation baka, mag-cream foundation baka, powder foundation baka. It's your preference. Or mag-liquid foundation ka. Kaya ako man kay papili o di mag-liquid foundation ko. Pila taon na ang mga liog diha kay basin. Layo lagi gwapa kasanan inigtan-aw nimo inigduol na di ay sus. Kiahak ang liog perting ituman na niya ang naong perting puti, di ba? Powderan sa nimo siya gamay, no? Iset nimo gamay imong kuan powder. Uy, awag gud ni akong gigamit nga powder sansante. Katong pag-uli na ko 2016 ay free or something, palit batog something. So di na siya kinang mo palit kung unsa ray naa ninyo mo ay gamiton. 'Di ba? So ako, since baga naman ko kilay daan, thank you Lord, pwede na ako magkilay everyday. Mag-brow gel lagi ko permi. Bisan pa og morning look or evening look. Pero ang nakanindot aning brow gel, lamurag hurot naman ni. Ngita tag napay sumpay din sa good ni. Labay na ni an. So, sa'yo na gyud na akong kilay. Di gyud ni siya forever. Kay nga, no, ako ra na siyang sundon. Ako, kung buntag, dili na ko mag-eyeshadow. I am more so of having eyeliner gyud. Mag-eyeliner gyud ko. Nya, walay eyeshadow, basta morning. Alright? Nya, di lang sad kaayo baga. Again, di sad kaayo baga. Ana ra ka sample. Unya, since morning man, kinahanglan natay pink-pink, no? So, kung usara gyud inyong palette sa kalibutan, unya inyong palette na anada ay blush on, na anay pang lips, so kana atong gamiton. Diba? True that, true that. Unya, kung usara sa din yung brush, gamitan gyapon tong brush nga inyong gigamit ganina. Unya, di lang kay bag-on, ha? Little piece, little at a time. Then, you just have to remember nga kung mag-blush on man ganita pataas para mainat gamay atong now, even if you don't do contour, but if your strokes are going up ganin atong strokes, mura ra sa nasud Botox atong now. Sa dili good. O, na natin blush on. Then, ang lips, again, kung nag-moisturize mo sa inyong face, wala ta nag-moisturize sa atong lips. So, ang akong lip balm dere is Mary Kay. Naalang gito ng hatag na kong Mary Kay. Mao na ako yung unani. But I have not bought any Mary Kay. Ay, dili dahil na, di ako nakabalid. Di ako akong kauban nga maestran. Ligya, mag Mary Kay. Uy, maikog sa tambalibad. Maski dere sa American, no ligya. Giahak. Di mo taka-imkyas. Diba? So, palitan, respektar, ana. So, naka lip tint or naka lip, no, hindi lip tint, ay lip moisturize naka. Since, naaman siya sa palette, gamitan og brush. Na kung wala gay brush, fingers. Unsay gamit sa fingers. O, ang pinaka lipstick, kay pink. Kay sayo pa biya, breakfast pa ato ang kuan. Coffee with me, ana pa ang peg. Oh, guwapa na! This is your makeup look in 5 minutes. Manaday ka! So, and this is your breakfast look. Breakfast date look. Alright, so now we are gonna build from your breakfast look, from your morning look, to your lunchtime date. Alright, what we're gonna do is we can add a little bit of color. We can put a little bit of eyeshadow. Whatever palette you have. Remember this morning, we did not put eyeshadow. You can use 2 or 3 colors. Ayan! You already have lipstick in there. Use this lighter one for breakfast. Now, lunchtime naman, we can do a little bit dark. A little bit lang. Tip for those gagmay og lips. Really gagmay. Ay, nipis. Og lips, you can overdraw it. Okay, that's for the lips. It's still pink. Now, curl your lashes. Lashes. Yep. Okay na mag-mascara, I guess, of lunchtime. So, with mascara, nothing is perfect also, but just be very, 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 very careful. Nya ako very gamay sa na siyang akong gitawag og kuan. Pilok. Di ginadaghan akong pilok, so pasagdiin na lang na ninyo, ha? And then lower one. Unya. Manana dayon. Unya. Ana ra. O ganahan jud ka para makimcho, para ni kimcho ganahan gid siya mag nose contour even if lunchtime. Magkuha mo sa inyong brown nga palette. Na ba kutoy brown ang kani? Be, katong karaan ninyo nga palette, wala siya. Dark ra kaayo ito. Maramngita ra gyud brown nga palette, ha? Unya, what I'm gonna do, the easiest way to do is to just dip a little bit of your favorite brown. Unya, tap it sa inyong thumb. Unya, from the tip of your nose, imo ra na siyang isaka. Kita ra ka? Be, parang kakita gyud ka atong bagan-bagon gamay. Unya, from the bottom of your nose, the gamay the nose, the slender you make it, ang illusion sa imong nose, ana na dayon. Ana. Kita na? Oh, nitubo na gamay akong ilog. Kita na mo? Hala, nag-picture to tas before, no? Ug after, anyhow. Mauna na siya. There you go. Here goes your lunchtime look. Or your lunch look. Wait, ang tangon ni na to kay breakfast look man eh. Ato siyang butangan o clip para demure. Be, mag-clip ta, mag-clip. Mag-clip. Ayan, like that. Na. Oh, gwapa na si Atsi. Pwede na mag-lunch date. So that was our lunch date look. Now, are we ready to build for the nighttime look or the dinner date look? Oh my gosh, I'm excited for this look because now you can intensify as much as you can. We can add up more colors. But if you feel like just going like this, also fresh lang ang pag dinner date, okay rasad, it's up to you. But with me, I like it with a darker color. Again, I am so glad that I have this palette. Kaya pwede rin mo siya i-build lagi nga palette. So what I'm gonna start off with, since I already have that pink transition color, I'll just have to build it and put a little dark. And to make it a little dark, of course, the only dark color I have is black, no? So I will just open up the crease and blend, blend, blend. See how that little dark color changes from day to night. Be very, very careful when using black, ha? Kaya kung daghanon, na mura na nagtakuling. See that? So I just followed my crease. Yeah. Right? So that's the color of the ice. But I think I can, let's see, gonna make it, this silver one's gonna make it the eye darker. Look at that. Halaka. Kita ka, ana? Oh, look how it changed from day look to night look. Remember, kay imo na sa day na siyang i-appeal ang lower line. There you go. Concealer, mag-concealer na ka, pwede na ka alright, so that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna do concealer. Kung nakay loose powder, you're gonna lose your loose powder. Dinhi na ka pwede mag-bake-bake. Kung ganahan ka mag-bake-bake, bake-bake diha. Na. Contour, yeah, sure. Easier way ni siya. Again, it's gonna be under, niya pataas ha. Ana. Contoura na ni mo siya diha, te. Imuhang mga dinhi. Kung ganahan lang ka, kung di kay kaganahan, it's up to you, good. Imuhang ilong, contoura na siya ka-appeal. Blend, blend, blend. First, i-blend nato siya atong ilong. Ang magdagbida aning gitawag ug mata basta gabi na is your get ready with your piluka. Piluka galore sa tanya pangon sa nato kay mahurot atong battery, okay? Magpiluka tate. Ayan. Pwede na mag-asawa te. So ato siyang tangtangon ka atong gipang bake gani ha. So, para okay na ang tanan, mag-lipstick dayon sa. And since it's Valentine's Day, we are gonna put a red lipstick. How'd you like that? Okay, it's up to you kung mag-liner or dili, ha? So, it's up to you, good. Whatever red lipstick you like. But for me, I always use the eye liner. Usually, if mag-liner gani ko, ako na lang sa siyang i-appeal tanan. Lips. Para patas. Okay, baglaki. So, you're done with the lip liner. If you're happy with that, that's the look you're getting into. But I am not. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add red lipsticks. And then, since you're going out on a date at an evening, padigid siya, you can pick your lip tint nga di bitaw mo transfer imong lipstick sa imuhang wine glass or imuhang water glass. Ana. So this one is my favorite always. Kanang dili siya mag kiat-kiat. Kanang di mag transfer ba. Red is red, eh? Puno dyan guys, gugma. Ayan. Okay na, te. Happy na ko na nga pagka-red. Oh, whatever redness you want, ana. The next one is your highlights. Nindot na siya mag-highlights basta gabiin natin. Kay ang mga lights, no? Under the puting ilaw. Unya, nag-nose lift man dito eh. Nag-nose line man taganiha, but it was not as perfect as I wanted it to be. So, punan. Yawa. Nose line. Now, this is the best way I want to do my nose line git because I can control it. For some reason, I could not control it with a brush yet, no? Look at that. For me, this would be the makeup that I will wear for my dinner date. So, the hair is so demure. We're gonna take that out. Kagabiin at te. Pwede na tamuyaba. Huwag mo disco. Tantango na ta na siya. Pinatagak-tagak na siya, te. It's up to you. It's up to you. Yan. Og, ang last pagidi ay, you're gonna have to put your setting spray, whatever you feel like makahold sa imong makeup. This is prime and spray. This one. This time, we'll just use the Urban Decay. Spray it. Gite. Kay basin dugay mo mahuman og kaon, no? Nidaghan pa mo adtuan, depende ra ginani niya. Alright, and this is our dinner date look. How do you like that? Give it a thumbs up. Which one you like? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner date? I'm mag-pictures at the hold on. And this is the look for your dinner date. Alrighty guys, that completes our breakfast, lunch, and dinner date look for Valentine's. Happy Valentine's to everybody, to those that have boyfriend, girlfriends, to the family that would celebrate Christmas, Valentine's together, and to those who are in love with themselves. Again, even if you don't have a partner, you don't have to have a partner to love yourself, alright? Love yourself. And remember, this Valentine's, you could not give love if you don't have love. Again, this is Mommy Ann in the Wilson Sunday. Go! Make it a great day or not. The choice is yours. And remember, everyone has a purpose. Bye, guys. Enjoy your Valentine's. I love you all.